argue with you. It's unhealthy for me. I'm going to go use my audio visual stimulator to relax. After all, kids have stress too. I know that drinking and drugs are bad for me. I want to be relaxed and happy. When I grow up, I want to be successful. I'm going to choose a relaxation program. I'm going to put on these goggles and these earbuds, and I'm going to chill.
You're no fun. Hey, when you're finished, can I use it?
Sorry, when I'm done relaxing, I'm doing some homework.
Mom! Mom!
I love doing homework. By using the audio visual stimulator, it takes half the time, and you learn twice as much. All I do, select a memory improvement program, put on the earbuds, and read. I love getting straight A's. Maybe Dad will buy me a car. I know Zach likes smart girls.
Audiovisual stimulation is proven to be effective for learning new skills including languages, in memory improvement, focused concentration, and of course for relaxation and sleep. Visit www.newmind.com today. Build a better tomorrow for yourself and your family.